Welcome everybody to my channel Trading Jesus. As I always say, guys, no BS, no editing at my channel, so get right straight to it. Before we go, like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and let's go right to it and see what Castor team had did yesterday and the big volume picking up. So let's go right to it. And as we can see here, guys, as we predicted in the last video here, I told you guys we're gonna see a bit of rejection when we touch our descending line over here, and that's what we did yesterday. We saw a big jump, and guess what, we got rejected exactly, guys, around our descending line, and we saw the 0.50, but we got rejected right away. We closed at 0.48. This is indication of our descending line show that is have really much have a lot of significant for smart money. This is a psychological level for CTRM, this level, that because we've been touching it from the 1st of April. Let me highlight it here. So now by today, because I recorded this video before the market, pre-market, as I can see here, really important, the moment we got rejected, now we don't want to see this scenario to play through, because now I see the volume at our SMI indicator picking up the volume, and we're going to see above the 0. This is really good. Let's go to big picture to see more clearly, and boom, as we can see here, a big volume candle picking up, and even in our big picture is have the same sign, and is not that big different, because the smaller time frame have the sign will be faster. The big picture is still picking up, and we still below the 0, but we can see a bit of picking up in the volume, and our indicator coiling up and going to the 0, because now we below the 0 even for the small time frame. But this is a good indication that we going above the 0 for our volume indicator. The other thing, guys, this is really important to watch out for. If, as I told you, if we got rejected here, we did yesterday. So the idea now, by today, opening of today, we don't want to see the price go again to this level. This is really important at 0.44, 0.44. Yeah, if we go at this level, even we test it, this is a big sign of weakness, and this is give us the incentive for the market is not ready to go up, because we already tested our descending line, and this is will take the market down, and maybe we see again a big kind of volume, and then test lower low, not to 50 even. We go to test around maybe around the 0.47 to go again down to test this 0.42 from here, and we do test the last lowest price we did in the 12th of April, and this is incentive that we gonna see even the 40 if we get rejected by today, because today is the moment of truth for Castor team. Now we have the volume support us. Now what we need is a pickup in the momentum. We already did, because as we can see, our exponential moving average acting as a bouncing ball, and we bounce, and we have this beautiful jump up, but we have more stronger resistance than support. Now what I want to see, this is the scenario we don't want to see. As I told you, rejection here we did yesterday, go to test the 0.44 again. This is a sign of weakness. Even if we bought back again and we do lower low again at the 0.47, big incentive that we're gonna see the 42, even the 40. The good sign that I will see if by today, guys, if we have that, we saw a candle close at 51, this is a good, or a candle to close above our descending line, will be a break for this pattern that we did when we jumped back down on 1st of April. This is a reverse in the trend, because now the momentum will, if we have the jump and the closing candle above our descending line, the volume will be above zero. This is really good, and this is show us that like there's a big buying pressure from the insiders, and this is will give us an incentive to go to test again the 0.55, and this time, guys, when we test the 0.5 after this breakout and after this bounce from the exponential moving average, and after we have a big up in volume, this is three sign that we have with us to show us this time we're gonna overcome the 55 and we close, as I showed you before in the video before. We need a closing candle before above the 0.55 in order to show that CTRM is changing in trend and going up from there, and this is will be the bottom at 0.42. hopefully we don't see it again, because now we see a momentum change. We need a confirmation for this change to happen by today or this week, really urgent to see this. This is a turning point, as I told you guys. There is no time to waste here, because this is the only chance for us for bounce up and test the 0.55. I can see this is really perfect. Now what we didn't like, this rejection that happened yesterday, and this is we don't see the price to go to 0.44, as I told you. This is will be a really good bad sign, and we're gonna see a lower low for CTRM. So guys, if you like the video, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Daily video with me, Trading Jesus. Always told you guys, be patient and always hunt for the right price value with me, Trading Jesus. So be patient and always have a strategy when the market go down. Like now we are in bear market, so usually a lot of people get panic. So define yourself. Always tell you guys, if you see the future for CTRM, first, if you're a long holder, know and at least have the worst case scenario and do your due diligence about the company, so even it go down, you know that you're not losing all your money. Because a lot of people ask me, are we going to zero, or the company go bankrupt? If you do your due diligence, you never ask this kind of question, and you be more relieved even you see lower prices for your company you buy. Here at my channel, I will give you the really right prices if you want to average down, so you be patient, and we'll give you the exact prices where even the insider know this is the price will be perfect for CTRM. So stay tuned for that. And if you want to swing trade, as I told you, I will show you as well where the buying pressure will happen, where the selling pressure will happen, like I showed you here. Like we did yesterday, we got rejected at 50 cents, and we closed at 48. So there's a big warning sign, so we could anticipate. So as I told you guys, for this this is it for this video. So stay tuned for the next update for CTRM, daily update. So until next time, be patient guys, and let's hunt for the exact right price value. See you guys.